Hi, this is Anjaneyulu. Today we will discuss the integers, very important topic. In this addition of integers, if you want to add two integers, already we know 5 plus 6 can be written as 11. So this can be also written as in integers. 5 can be represented as plus 5 and 6 can be represented as plus 6. In between this plus sign is there. So this can be written as only absolute values we have to add. Absolute means we will take plus 5 means 5 only, minus 5 also 5 only. So here we have to write the absolute values of this 5 and 6, and both are having positive sign, that's why we will add here plus. So this is plus 11. Plus 11 can be also be written as 11. So like that if two negative integers also we can add like this only. Means suppose minus 3 plus of minus 4 is there. So the absolute value of minus 3 is 3 and absolute value of minus 4 is 4. So simply we have to add these absolute values of 3 and 4, and both are having negative sign. We have to keep negative sign here as like for positive numbers. Here also both are positive, that's why we kept plus sign here. Here both are negative, that's why we are keeping here minus. So this is minus 7. Okay, like that. Suppose if you want to add one positive and one negative integer, let us see, this is minus 3 plus of 5. So here we have to subtract the absolute values of these two numbers. The absolute value of minus 3 is 3 and absolute value of 5 is 5. We have to subtract here. One is positive and one is negative, means if you want to add one positive number and one negative number, or one negative number or one positive number, if you want to add, simply we have to subtract the absolute values of those numbers. So we have to subtract 5 minus 3, means actually this is nothing but the difference. Difference means we will subtract the big number, small number from the big number, and afterwards we have to keep the sign of the big absolute value number. Here the big absolute value of number is 5, that is having plus sign. So this is plus 2. Like that. Suppose this is minus 7 plus of 2 is there. Here also one positive, one negative. So we have to subtract the small number from the big number, means the absolute value of the small number from the big number of absolute value. So this is 7 minus 2, and the big number having the minus sign here. So that is, we have to write this as minus 5. Like this, two positive numbers, two negative numbers, and one positive and one negative number, we will get either plus or minus. If we add one positive and one negative number, we will get either plus sign or negative sign. Like that, multiplication of integers. Multiplication. It can be easily remembered as plus into plus is plus and minus into minus is plus, and plus into minus is minus and minus into plus is minus. How to remember? Very easily. If both numbers are having the same sign, if one number having plus sign, another number also having a plus sign, if you multiply those two numbers, suppose this is plus 3 into plus 2, means we can get only positive value, that is plus 6. It can be also written as 6. If both are having the same sign, like this. Another one, if both are having the same sign, suppose minus 2 into minus 5. So this can be written as 2 into 5. Both are having same sign, so we will get plus only. This is nothing but plus 10, that is 10 only. If a number having one positive and one negative value, means one negative and one positive value, here look here, one negative and one positive value, we will get minus sign. Means if they are having, those two numbers are having opposite sign, then we will get the minus sign. This is 2 into 6, minus 12. One more example, suppose 1 into minus 5. This is having plus sign, this is having minus sign, like this. If both are having opposite signs, we will get the minus sign. If both are having the same sign, we will get the positive sign. So this is 1 into 5, that is equal to minus 5. Okay, these are the most important concepts.